into the industry because I had a passion around the areas of physical fitness, wellness, health, and well-being. I'm Mark Zabel. I work as the president of Matrix Fitness for our U.S. commercial division. I also serve as our global chief marketing officer for our parent company, Johnson Health Tech. We're an equipment supplier. We operate here in the United States. We're also a global business. And we've always been a company that's really listened closely to our customers. So we immediately started doing a great deal of research and started publishing documents to help our customers with different guidelines and different disinfectants that could be used with our products. So that put our engineers to work to do a lot of testing. Number one, that they were effective. Two, that it was approved by a credible source such as the EPA or CDC. But three, to make sure that cleaning and disinfecting agent, would state that it would be effective against COVID-19, that wouldn't be too corrosive against our products. So we felt it was really important to create a dedicated web page called Matrix Total Solution Support, which has an index of material around cleaning and disinfecting and preventative maintenance measures during this time. The fitness industry has been resilient through many difficult times, but this has even made us more resilient. It's just amazing what we saw from the various fitness leaders within our industry, their optimism and their strength to continue to move forward through such uncertain times. I think there's a positive thing that comes out of better collaboration because we learn more. I think at Matrix, we've always been strong collaborators with our customers, which has led to innovative products, programs, and services. But I think, opening it up with our competitors and other suppliers and even fitness enthusiasts, we've been able to learn a lot more. Number one, it's communication and research. And I think it's pretty amazing what a lot of the health club operators are doing in terms of the guidelines and the process that they're putting into their respective facilities to give people confidence to come back, that it's a clean, safe environment to train in. The perception has to change to get people back into commercial facilities. And I guess you could almost say, how do we make it more inclusive for everybody? We know the benefits of physical activity in terms of building a stronger immune system and what it does to our physical and emotional well-being and the positive benefits around that. We know what the research is in being in the industry. One of the cool things that we've done at Matrix is we've hired a full-time researcher in the areas of the benefits of physical activity and what that means for the preventative side, but also for people with physical disabilities. But how do we better communicate that to the people that are not leading a physically active lifestyle now and showing them how it can be more inclusive? So we have designed some of our products around that are more accessible for people with physical disabilities. But I think as an industry as a whole, so from the equipment side, as a trade association side, and even from an operator side, it's just probably a little bit better job and a little more focus around the promotion of that and having that consumer understand the benefits of being part of a social community that's all about physical activity and health and well-being. But two, I think what we've learned here is the importance of implementing technology and digital tools. So if we can have people access different forms of physical activity and different forms of wellness, I think that's how you're going to get a lot greater adoption for people to lead a healthy and active lifestyle. I think one of the things that was pretty cool was one of our master trainers developed a youth circuit. So for the parents that were home with kids, they had something to keep the kids active inside the house as well. Teamwork has always been critical and essential to our business. The top lesson that we've learned is how much more critical it is in expanding what that teamwork looks like. When I say it's been a true team process and a lot of teamwork, I mean that by every point of the definition, and that's between human resources, operations, legal counsel, but making sure that our communication is unified through our human resources department and making sure that they're providing the right level of guidance. And so our managers have been very involved in the communication, and then they've been able to deploy that communication to their respective staffs. And that is really, expanding your scope and learning from others and continue to build on great teamwork.